Welcome back guys to CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to introduce my new indicator. It's not like standalone indicator or indicator which showing you some specific new data. No, it's more like all in one place. It's more like a dashboard for everyone who use my set, and it's a time saver and a screen space saver. So just recently I got an idea to post more charts, but how to post more charts with my custom indicators data and not mess on the screen with a lot of indicators, because in my set is 6 indicator. And first of all, I decided to create a Notion like a database when I could add the ticker name, the time frame, and for each indicator I could post some what current data this indicator shows and share with you. Take a screenshot, add on the chart and share with you with my analysis of the zone of interest. But after that I realized maybe I can try to build a table so it could look like a table inside a TradingView, and I finally finished this table. So this is like a dashboard. So how it looks like, first of all, I use in every single video 6 indicators. I showed you the metrics, and each indicator you can add alerts and get notifications for some specific time frame what you like to analyze. That's why every single trader analyze and trade on total different time frame. Depends of purpose, and depends of your trading style, trading strategy, and your emotional, states, and a lot of data that indicator shows. Of course, I always tell you that indicators is not a magic. It's not a magic button to buy, sell, or become rich. It's additional tool, and these 6 indicators, who use it, they know it. So it's really helpful tool, and each indicator showed the different data on different time frames. But to not looks like this one on the screen, because it took so much space, and sometimes it took so much space, especially on a mobile version. I created the dashboard. So how the dashboard looks like. Take a look. I could close all of these indicators, and here, dashboard. CryptoFly dashboard. I would like to show you. This is going to be just on the screen, on the right corner on your screen. It saves a lot of space, and here you can find the indicator name, time frame, and the signal. What at the present moment this indicator shows. And some people can ask why you add the time frame, why you not create just a table with the current time frame. What now you check the chart. For example, you check on 1 hour time frame chart. This could show the signal, especially on this time frame. Because sometimes the people, and me especially, me personally, build the different strategies. The entries, just my personal experience, the entries, I never opened the trade, for example, on 1 hour time frame. But I could track the money inflow on 1 hour time frame, because for entry I use the 5-minute time frame, 2-minute time frame, sometimes the 3-minute time frame for entry to open position, to press sell or buy, open short, long. But I need some additional data. So is my analysis, my zone of interest correct or wrong? For example, for intraday trades, and I need to confirmation. So on 1 hour time frame we get more volume and more buyers. That's why I don't need to switch between the time frames to find. I open the direction indicator on 5 minutes time frame, we get accumulations. I go to 1 hour time frame, double check the money power. Do we have the money inflow or not? I go to the ADZ. Are we in accumulation or distribution zones? I can adjust specific time frame for each indicator separately, and double check just in a simple dashboard. So it saves a lot of time. It's give you some nice visual, what's going on now. You can just hide it and have a clean chart. When you see some that signal what you're looking for, you can just find, for example, market moon and depression. You can just open the market mode, and double check. So this is a 1 hour time frame. This is disbelief, but on the 5-second time frame is depression. You know, and you can double check. After that, you can add alerts for each indicator if you need some notification in the future. So in the settings, guys, how it looks like. First of all, depends if your TradingView 10, you can use and adjust the colors. For example, table background color, for example, like this one. So everything totally adjustable, you know, in the settings. Even the color of the positive or negative signals, right? After that, you can adjust the time frame for each indicator. So this is my 6 indicators, and for each you can adjust. I add the 5-second time frame just to double check how in real time how you could track it, how in real time everything changed. So it's not like random, but it changed only on the 5-second time frame. So you have to understand. So the 5-second here, bullish hope. So you have to understand on the 5-second chart. I guess nobody trade. I just showed you how in real time they changed. Bullish optimism just was a hope. So it's really helpful, and you can just save a lot of time. Just sit in front of a monitor and open one single table and track all signals on some specific time frame what you're looking for. So you can adjust, for example, for money power. For money power indicator, the money inflow, money outflow, RSI, bullish divergence, MACD, bullish, bearish, bullish divergences, you know, it changed for all of the three because it's one indicator, money power, for example, 5-minute time frame. It's going to be that change here, 5-minute time frame. ADZ, I could track, for example, like one minute time frame. I need to check it's neutral or accumulation or distribution zone. Got it. Time frame for direction. Here's a 5-second bullish. I would like to check like 1 hour time frame. Got it. Time frame for market mood. Let's say 15-minute time frame. Take profit. This is one more example. Basically, you probably never see that buy line or take profit line touch on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, because the take profit indicator I personally use on the daily for the swing trades, and here market mode on 15-minute frame change to disbelief. I use take profit on a daily for swing trades and the weekly time frame for investments. So you can just wait and here 1 week time frame. Weekly time frame, I wait the buy line, for example, buy line, some zone or fundamental price. So this is pretty useful, you know. And time frame on trade on, for example, for the scalp, I can use the 3-minute time frame. So everything totally adjustable, you know, in the settings, up to you, up to your trading time. You can save the preset, you know, and use it. So this is really helpful tool now. It's a time saver, screen space saver, you know. Maybe on the mobile version it will not look perfectly well scalable to the chart because different resolutions, different gadgets, you know. But on the mobile, on the web version, it looks amazing, just amazing. I just start tested. Soon everybody who have a current active subscription on no matter it's a lifetime or even the monthly current active subscription will have a test. I will open a test totally for free, you know, because I promise everyone who got a lifetime subscription, every single new indicator they will have all the time for free in the future. And even the current one who get a subscription like for a monthly time frame, I don't know, for November or December, I will open a test. So guys, I'm happy finally I finished this indicator, and it took a lot of time, of course, but I'm happy I'm finished, and so now I will start using, and I guess it saved a lot of time. Also, I'm not at the notification and alerts inside this indicator, you know, because it could be the mass inside the inputs and with notifications. So if you want to add some notification, you could track the data here on the dashboard, Crypto4Light dashboard, and you can open any indicator, for example, the money power, and add alerts specifically to this indicator on that time frame. What are you looking for? Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in every single video, or with this set plus Crypto4Light dashboard, now finally the 7 indicators will be in invite only. Write me DM. See you next time, guys.